Hi guys, it's Sharon, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Lucky Vitamin sent me this box to review, and how cute is this? It says, laugh often, eat what makes you feel good, dance in the kitchen, work up a sweat, keep chemicals off your counters, keep chemicals off your kids, walk barefoot, tell your friends what works, do the research, tell your family, tell your neighbors, spread the wellness. I love that. That is so cute. So, wow, it's a beauty bag. It says, your purchase will support education without borders. Made in India. So this bag is by Danica Studio. It's 100% linen. It's really, really cute. And inside, there's an Acure brightening facial scrub. I love exfoliating, so I'm excited to try this. There is freshwater collagen powder. Collagen is really important for like anti-aging and stuff, so I'm really excited about this because I was actually wanting to buy some new collagen supplements, so I'm excited to try these out. It looks like you just add these to your water with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So it comes with 3 of those. It comes with a Soothing Touch Coconut Lime Lip Balm. It smells so good. And it's vegan. These are the collagen powders. The brightening mask. Ooh, and then this is Smith's toothpaste. I love trying new toothpaste because there's like so many like healthier options than the mainstream ones. Oh my god, and this is like bath bombs. These are Nubian Heritage bath bombs. I love bath bombs. Then they sent me the Grandpa Soap hair conditioner, witch hazel conditioner, which replenishes moisture and adds body. That's really exactly up my alley because my hair is so like healthy now that it just gets like so oily and it builds up like product really easily. And it also has shaving cream and moisturizer. It's raspberry flavor, has natural shea and vitamins. Smells like raspberry. And here's the clarifying shampoo. I'm really excited to try this clarifying hair products because I never buy those because I used to be like blonde, so I always needed moisturizing things, but now I need clarifying things because my hair is super healthy. And then here's a moisturizer. It's ultra hydrating and helps to enrich and reduce visible signs of aging. So let me just show you. I packed all of this into this bag. I love that. So obviously you can fit a lot of stuff in this cute little bag, and I love that they included like bath bombs. Like this is perfect, like vitamins. Like everyone needs vitamins. I forget to pack my vitamins, so this is like a perfect beauty bag for someone who's like traveling or going away for the weekend. I will definitely use all of these things. They're like all beauty things that I use. So thank you so much for sending it to me. I'm really excited to try these things, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know if any of you have tried any of these products or similar things that you would recommend, and tell me your experiences. I would love to hear them, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!